Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 15 and let me share with you how to enable the NyLight or eye comfort mode. So let's begin with opening the settings. We will start with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to this feature. So here, let's just a hair here. So let's scroll and find display and brightness, and then scroll down to find the option right here, eye care. So tap on it. So here we've got the eye comfort and sleep, which is the automatic option, and let me simply ignore it because I wanted to focus on the eye protection itself, which we can customize. Obviously, if you wish to use eye comfort and sleep, which is automatic, you can do it. That's great. But I just wanted to describe all of those customization options here. So let's simply tap on custom. Tap on the switcher, and I'm not really sure if you can see it, but the screen turned a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. Let me actually quickly change to the light mode so you will be able to see the changes. So let me turn it off. You can see that the screen is more bluish, more cold, and after tapping on the switcher it is more yellow. Here we've got this switcher, thanks to which we can change the intensity of that feature. So by going to the left we can make it cooler, and I would say it is invisible right now, and by going to the right, much warmer, and now you can really see that it is almost orange, at least in real life. I'm not sure how it looks like on the camera. Here we've got the display effects, and basically we can display the colors normally. They will be obviously affected by the eye care, but still we've got the colors. Or we can set it on black and white, and everything will be displayed in those grayish tones. Obviously grayish, darkish, whatever. I think I prefer the color one. Here you've got also something called eye comfort reminder, so your device will basically remind you to just take a break when the eye fatigue are detected. You can use it obviously. And here you can also schedule that feature. So here you can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and you can choose the start and the end time, and your device will apply the mode accordingly, of course. Alright, so this is the whole customization of the eye care, and if you wish to have much faster access to it, simply unroll the top bar, and here in those in this section we have to find the eye care icon, which is not here in my case. So let me go to the right, and as you can see, there is the eye comfort. If for some reason you cannot find it here, no worries, just tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon, and it should appear somewhere here with the plus icon, or not. Sorry, in the left upper corner you will have this plus icon. Sorry, I was bamboozled. So tap on the plus icon and find the eye comfort icon somewhere here. So let's pretend this is the eye comfort. All we have to do is to tap on it and it will be immediately applied. Alright, just tap on done, and it will be set here. So all you have to do to turn it on is to basically tap on it and tap on it again to turn it off. Moreover, here you can quickly access the eye comfort settings. Just tap on it and hold it, and you will be transferred to the eye care. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.